We got a battery replacement. Came in on a Saturday. Brought the Niños with me. Say hi, guys. Right now they're watching Monster Inc. We got a battery replacement on the Amazon van. And it's stupid where they put the battery on this van, guys. Stupid. Okay, this one. Could be that one. I'm 100% sure. Okay. All right. Let's put this over there. Slide that forward. Cool. All right. That's another one. Excuse me. Go forward. Thank you. Okay. Don't move. Put it right there. Oh, what the hell? Oh, stupid. Took off the wrong one. Sorry, guys. Like I said, it's too early. Too early right now. This can come off. What we can do is slide it over there. Look at it. Somebody put zip ties on this. Okay. Got it. Good. Thank you. Set it right there. Look. I think this is from here. They lost the bolts and then they put the bolt back on. See how the lines line up? And there was another one right there and they didn't put it on. And this thing slides up. Pretty stupid what you have to do, huh? Oh, look. Come on, man. Loosen that up. Loosen that up. Remove your ground. And then you're positive. A little positivity will come a long way. Yeah. Move this. Set those there. Oh yeah. Let's put this on. Tighten the mamma jamma. Okay, that is firm. There you go. Now the ground wire. Oh, okay. Snuggy, snuggy. Snuggy, snuggy. And these we could put back because my stupid ass took them off. They could have put this battery in a whole different position, guys. So stupid for them to add it like right here. There, there. Bada bing, bada boom, man. I don't have any other clips, but this will do for now. So we'll leave it for there. Put it there. Put this on. Zap that up. That's it. Better than zip ties. Shit. And then you just grab your seat. This is supposed to be there. Grab that seat. Put it back. Put it. See the little dowels right here? There's a dowel here and a dowel right there. Set them in place. Then your hose line up. Make sure them hose stay in place. Now we zappy zappy. Bring this one in. Okay. Here. There. And I gotta get the key. 5513. I believe there's a core on that, but we'll leave it right there. And that's it, guys. That's how you change it. Look, the fuck. Whoever worked on this van, god damn it. Let's check under the hood. Check under the hood. Alright. Andale. Alright. So this one came in because it was leaking coolant, so they replaced this. But then it was still leaking, so they brought it over here. I diagnosed it real quick. Ended up being that hose off. It wasn't even clamped down. So I put the hose onto the radiator. Then I put the clamp. We refilled it, started up, drove it. Everything's good. So luckily it wasn't no main issue. And that's it, guys. Catch you on the next one, Holmes. Ah, I got no fucking space. There. There. Okay. Alright. We gotta get that van out. I gotta move this Ford Raptor though. Put this out of the way. Just gonna slowly, gently move it out of the way. Holy shit, there's AC on my seat? What the hell? I feel a cool breeze on my back. So we're gonna move this one right here for now. Once I'm done pulling out the other one, and then I'm gonna show you a stupid feature that I don't like about it. This car is so stupid, but we'll leave that there for now. This one's need a water pump for the translation people, or if you need translation, agua de bomba. Okay.
The most vociferous
E-breakdown.
Past 7 years.
Okay, let's pull this one.
Hurtful things.
Out of the way. We gotta hurry up and get this one over there. Okay. This one says not for sale, so we'll put this over there. Put it over there. I hate they bury the cars, dude. Like, if you gotta get a van, there's like 5 cars in your way. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you this stupid feature. Check this out. See that thingy? Look at that. Why do you need to put it away? Why? I don't know. They add extra shit in here that doesn't make sense. Instead of worrying about that, they should fix like the shit that make it reliable. You know what I mean? That's just my opinion, guys. Maybe you guys will like it. I don't know. I care about reliability than the shit that's inside the car. I want to make sure the engine lasts long. Not some pinchy shifter that goes down. Oh, right. Yeah. They really do beat the shit out of these cars, guys. Can we get it to fit? I don't know.
There's over 7 years now. It's taken over 7 years. And it will take 7 more to...
Can we make it though? I don't know. I don't know. Or if we reverse it in there, maybe. Let's reverse the bitch. Okay. Remember that SpongeBob episode? Keep going, keep going.
That's what you reach out to people who, let's put it this way, not been in.
Oh, good? All right, let's go put these away. All right. I will be doing the water pump on this one, guys.